All right, so it's a pretty exciting day because today the box for the grand opening arrived from Discraft. So we're going to take a minute, we're going to open it up, we're going to see what these discs look like for all you who are coming out to the grand opening event on October 19th. October 19th. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got in here. The kids are all excited. They want to see what kind of discs we got going. So don't be grabbing them all out. Let's just take a look at what we got here.
Whoa. Ellis, what did he just say?
All right.
Whoa.
Ooh.
That thing's cool.
Pretty cool foil stamps on there.
Oh, look, there's a monster.
We got the rainbow
Where's the monster?
print for the Redeemed by Grace grand opening on the 19th.
It's right there.
Yeah, we got some special discs to give away. We got looks like we got a bunch of minis here to give away as well.
Yes.
So
Can I get these minis? Can I have these minis?
you want some minis? Well, you're gonna have to come to the grand opening to get a mini. Are you gonna come to the grand opening?
Yes,
All right.
I will.
Sounds good. What do you guys think?
Yes.
You gonna sign up?
Oh yeah.
All right.